I just wanted to add a little bit more to your decimal notes. So now we're looking at what happens when you have a decimal in your divisor. That's the number on the outside, okay? This number always needs to be a whole number. Remember, a whole number has no parts to it, so it can't have a decimal in it. So this says, if there is a decimal in the divisor, you need to make it a whole by moving the decimal to the end. So if I was doing this problem, that means I'm moving the decimal 1 point this way, and 0.6 now becomes 6. However many times you moved it, that's how many times you move the decimal in the dividend. So if I moved this 1 time, then I'm going to move this 1 time. You don't just scoot them both to the end. You move this once, then you move this once, and bring the decimal up and divide. So how do I divide? Well, 6 does not go into the number 1, so above the 1 I'm going to put a 0. 6 does go into 12 2 times, so the answer is 0.2. This little note says if you didn't move it in the divisor, you don't move it in the dividend. So like this one, doesn't matter if there's a decimal there. This is already a whole number, so I'm not moving it. And if I didn't move it here, I don't move it here. I just bring it up. 5 does not go into 1. 5 goes into 13 twice. Remainder 3, bring down the 5. 5 goes into 35 7 times, and that works out evenly. So the answer is 2.7. This last one might need a little bit more paper, but so you have 2.34. Move it over twice. Then since I moved it over twice, I'm moving this over twice, and I'm bringing it up. 234 does not go into 1. It doesn't go into 12. It doesn't go into 126, but it does go into 1,263. And it goes in there 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. And I subtract. 16 minus 7 is 9. And it's now a remainder of 93. I bring down the 6. 200 goes into 900. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. So I'm going to try 8. I'm not sure how much it is, but that would give me 24, 27, 16, 18. Whoa, that's too much. So let's try 6. 234 times 6 is 24, 18, 20, 12, 14. That's still way too much. How about 4? 234 times 4. 16, 12, 13, 8, 9. There's our magic number, 936. So I have no remainder, and the answer is 0.54. Really important where you put the decimals.